I know what you're probably wondering, and to answer your question, yes, this is a passive income stream that's actually very simple to do, has a very low barrier to entry. Really, the only requirement is that you're interested in crypto. As long as you are, this strategy is a no-brainer. So a little backstory on me, I've been on a journey for the last year and a half trying to find the best passive income streams in crypto. And about 3 or 4 months ago, I stumbled on a platform called Bitsgap, which has changed my life. I'm making thousands of dollars each month completely on autopilot, and it's just an amazing platform to work with. Bitsgap makes earning passive income so simple, even my mother could figure it out. Probably, maybe not, but she's really bad with new technology. It's besides the point. Sorry, love you, Mom. The point is that it's super simple to use, and as long as you understand the basics of crypto, you can transfer funds to and from different exchanges. You're going to make thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars because of this video per month. It's legitimately that simple. And by the end of this video, I'm going to make it even easier by sharing with you how you can copy my exact bot settings and use them for yourself. So if you're interested, you'll probably want to stick around for that. So what is Bitsgap? Bitsgap's an automated trading bot platform. It was founded back in 2016 with the idea to make trading cryptocurrency as easy, efficient, and stress-free as possible for traders with really any level of experience, which is great. And if we fast forward to today, they have well over 500,000 traders worldwide, about 3.7 million bots started, and $300 billion in trading volume. So I'd say that ideology was pretty successful. And I've used other bot trading platforms like Crypto Hopper, Stoic AI, the Maestro Sniper bot. I'm even testing out Aimbot right now, and they all have their pros and cons. Maybe you've heard some of these platforms, maybe not. It doesn't really matter. Each of these platforms are very different in how they go about their goal, but they all have the same goal in mind, which is to help crypto traders make money. And in my opinion, what I think Bitsgap has achieved over all of them is that it's a simple, flexible trading platform. It connects directly into your crypto exchange, and it'll place buy and sell orders on the different trading pairs of your choice. And it'll place those orders on your behalf. It'll then capture the profits in the form of USDT, which, if you guys know, it's as good as cash basically. You can then either transfer back into your bank or reinvest it back into your portfolio. And the best part is all of these funds always stay on the exchange and they're completely secure. So there's no staking on some sketchy website where they're gonna hold your tokens up at gunpoint or something like that.
Yeah, that's nice and all, Ryan, but
show us the freaking money.
Whoa, hold on. I'm getting there, I promise. I know all of you probably just want to see the results and how to do it, but it's probably important that you understand some basic fundamentals of how this will actually make you money. So give me like another minute or so. At its core, Bitsgap offers a few different types of bot strategies. There's your grid bot, there's the DCA, which stands for dollar cost averaging, the BTD, buy the dip bot, and then there's also DCA futures. And for the sake of this video, we'll be just looking at the grid and DCA bots, which are the most profitable in my experience and also the ones I'm most familiar with. To keep it simple, both of these bots operate pretty similar to one another. At their core, the software is just helping you place, buy, and sell orders to capture profits when the price of a token moves up and when it also moves down. And it also limits your risk on the downside and has some pretty cool AI features. Grid bots are best when used in a market that is going sideways, meaning the price of the token has consolidated. It's neither breaking towards the upside, it's not breaking towards the downside. It's just kind of flatlined and moves up and down slightly. And their goal is to capture profit in this type of market on the smallest amount of price fluctuations possible. And depending on your settings and how much you've invested, they're capturing 50 cents, $1, maybe even less than 50 cents, but they're sometimes making dozens or even hundreds of profitable trades a day. DCA bots, on the other hand, are best when used in a bull market where the price of the token is continuing to rise, like the market we're in now. And it's set to sell your tokens at a certain profit percentage, so you can set it at 1, 2, 3, even 10% if you want, and it'll continue to buy more of the token as the price of the token goes down. So your dollar cost averaging into this token. And it allows you to accumulate more of the token at the best price possible. So then you can lower the price the token needs to be at to make your profit percentage that you're looking for. Does that make sense? Don't worry if it doesn't. I'm going to explain a little bit more when I share my computer screen. I'm a visual learner. I'm sure you guys probably are too. Anyway, I'll shut up now and cut to the good part. This is the Bitsgap trading terminal. If we scroll down, you'll see some of the bots that I'm testing here. I have about 7 running at the moment, and most of these are less than a few days old. You know, this one's only 5 days, this one's 17 hours old. And if we look at this one, I've been running this one for a while and keep it going. It's been running for a month and 14 days, and it's made 22.46% return so far on $654. So it's made 160 bucks and is making 0.49% every day. So, I mean, imagine if you put in $5,000-$10,000 on this one trading pair, you'd be making on 10 grand, that's about $1,500 a month, which is nuts. It's freaking nuts. I mean, it's 15% in a single month. And that'll just be returned to you in USDT, and you can either pocket that money, put it towards your rent, or you can put it back into the system and just keep trading and making more capital. It's a beautiful system. So this is a dollar cost averaging bot. I'm going to try to not talk too much about it, but it could be easy to go on for an hour talking about all this stuff. But dollar cost averaging bot, it doesn't make a ton of trades, but when it does sell, it's selling for a pretty nice profit percentage. The way it works is you can see all these green dots are buy orders, and every single one of the red dots is a sell order. So the point of dollar cost averaging is you're buying more of the token as it goes down, so you can lower the point that you need to sell at in order to hit your profit percentage. So if we look at it right now, this is where it currently is. It bought at first at the top here, and it's just continued to buy down as the price goes down. You can see I have one more buy order here. If it hits it, it bounced right above it, and now we're probably going to see it break for the upside. It's going to hit this take profit line, and I'm going to make, you know, 10, 20 bucks, whatever the profit percent is at. Maybe it looks like it's at about $20 there. So that is how a dollar cost averaging bot works. If we go into my history of bots, you can see the sum total is this number here, $2,157 or 17%. And I've actually run many more bots than this. I think they disappear after maybe a month or two of being closed. I've probably had hundreds at this point. But you can see, I mean, just look at these numbers, guys. It's insane. The Sats trading pair here made 687 bucks. Ordi, $909. Solana, another great one, $174. Elon, $309. I mean, it's just a money printer. It's pretty nuts how this whole thing works. And I'm so excited that you guys are here to hear about it. But so this is a grid bot. Grid bot works pretty similar to the DCA bot. It's just targeting smaller movements, and it's going to make smaller percentages per trade. But every single one of these green lines is a buy order, and every single one of these red lines is a sell order. So if we look at all the dots here, I mean, it made thousands and thousands of trades. If we look at it, you can actually see how many transactions it made. Let's take a look real quick. Bot orders, it made 1,840 trades. And you can see every single one, sell, 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 $1.12. And you just see the bot profit inching up every single day. I mean, this one was making a good $30, $40 a day at its peak. So it'll go up and down. You know, sometimes it makes a percent per day, sometimes it makes 0.4% per day. And then once they start to slow down, I like to move into other strategies. Guys, and I can't stress enough how easy this is going to be for you, because I can literally just share every single one of these bots with you, and all you do is you just take the link,
once you open up a Bitsgap account, I think they have a 14-day free trial. Once you open it up, you just click copy bot. Basically, you'll click the link and you'll be able to copy these exact settings. It takes all of the hard work out of it. And it's not even that hard starting your own bot, but it definitely takes a lot of the guessing work out of it for you, and it'll make it a lot easier for you. So I actually started a community called Block Talk. Super happy to announce this. But I created Block Talk as a place for us all to connect and to share strategies. I can answer questions for you. I'll be doing live calls in there, and I'll be posting the bot links so that you can copy all of my bots directly in Block Talk. So Block Talk is going to be free for the first 50 people that join the community. So if you do want to start this out, if you're interested in creating passive income with Bitsgap and with crypto, I recommend going down there and grabbing a free seat. It's probably going to fill up pretty quickly, and it's going to make it as easy as possible for all of you guys to get started with this.
Again, guys, at its core, this whole thing is really pretty simple. It's very, very easy to make money with it, but there are some nuances, and I'm sure once you start diving into it, you're going to have some questions. And rather than requiring you to look across the entire internet for the answers to your questions and experimenting to try to capture similar results that I demonstrated in this video, I created Block Talk as a place and community for us all to connect and to be able to talk about strategy, help each other out, answer questions, and really just put you on the fast track to success. I'll also be holding monthly live calls to connect with you guys further and help anyone out as much as possible. And like I mentioned, the group is completely free for the first 50 people that enter the group, so grab your seat while you still can. I'm sure it's going to fill up pretty quickly. Once I realized how easy it is to make money with this system, I knew that this was something I was going to want to share the world with and share with other people to help others make money with as well. One of my goals in life, I'll just share with you real quick, is to help thousands of others achieve financial freedom in life. And for the longest time, I didn't know how I was going to do it. I wasn't sure how I was going to do it, where I was going to do it, what I was going to use, but now I'm certain that this is my calling. It's the way I'm going to accomplish this goal, and it's with Bitsgap. The link to join Block Talk is at the top of the description of this video. Again, grab your seat while you still can, and I'll hopefully be connecting with you inside of Block Talk very soon.